I am going to show you the most amazing way to make leftovers. Wait. And it's not just a cranberry sandwich with turkey that everybody does. This one, it's a little bougie. For simple, you just need some of your stuffing, turkey, eggs, and cheese. And the best part about this dish is it doesn't feel like you just made leftovers. I'm gonna make this super easy. Open your HeatMate, grab your tin. It comes with it. You can just tear it. You don't have to, don't be gentle. Have fun with it. Wash your hands. Please wash your hands. And you just throw it in the tin. It's that simple, guys. Pro tip is I like to do this after dinner because everybody's cleaning. You get a chance to actually make all these wonderful leftover parts. You don't need a fancy whisk. You can use a fork. A little wrist action. That creates a little froth. We got our whisked eggs. We got our stuffing. And we've got our turkey. Check this out. Come on, butter. Here you go. Yum, yum. HeatMate says yum, yum. Look at that. And now, this is the fun part. Lay your stuffing down as a little bed right here like this. Don't like pack it. Keep it a little bit like, keep it, I'll show you in a minute, but keep it a little bit of space in there because you're gonna want, when you put the turkey on it and then you put the egg in it, you're gonna want the egg to kind of soak through. So if you pack it too tight, the egg's not gonna get all the way to the bottom. Make sense? Good, glad you're following me. There you go. There you go. So that's how we do it. You can kind of go boom, and you go like this. Doosh, doosh, doosh. Technically, we could call this a breakfast dish. I'm going to say you could serve it anytime, and you'll see what I mean and why. So a cup and a half of stuffing, two large legs, and there's where we're at. And look, if you already look, this is a nice serving for like 3 to 4 people. So we did a one pan, comes with it, butter stuffing turkey, and now we whipped up our eggs. We're just gonna pour them on top. Not in the middle, you don't get them like that. That's not a good move, don't do that. Just kind of lovingly pour, see? Yay, just like that, yeah. See how I'm moving it? And there's a little bit of the egg batter moving around? That's the maximum. If you put more than that, it's gonna get really fluffy. I would say that's about as much as you wanna do. You could almost use a little bit less, but I like it extra fluffy. You're gonna see in a minute. And that's it. So now we're gonna shove it in the HeatMate. Here we go, time lapse. So we cue the montage. Do. So now, magic. What I love about this, 2 dials, guys, 2 dials. We're gonna go for, let's put it for 450, 5 minutes. And you'll see, stay tuned. Let's take a look. Oh my goodness, it's so good. Oven mitt. Now we put the cheese, and because, I'm gonna show you the pro tip. If I put this in right now with all this cheese, guess what happens? It's gonna burn the cheese. So I'm gonna give you my pro tip. This tray that comes with it, and look, it creates a little seal. It's going back in. Now, we're gonna bring it up to broil toast. We're gonna just do it for 2 minutes. What you're doing is you're actually creating the steam now. So instead of, it's like putting a lid on a pot, right? So we put a lid because the way those interlock together. So I've created a Dutch oven, but what I'm doing is I'm actually steaming it. So I'm using all the waters from everything to create a nice kind of Dutch oven with that cheese, and it's just gonna melt it through. And we're just gonna, like that. That's a technical term for cut it up and serve it up just like a cake. You know, and you just, there it is. Time to take a look. Oh, look at the steam coming. Ready? Who's ready? And we just kind of do one of these. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. See? And what's cool is this with the little bit of butter makes it non-stick. So now look at that. That's right. Now look at how, wait. And if you want to just give it a little bit of pizzazz, a little bit of sprinkle on there. There you go. Happy Thanksgiving leftovers, guys. Oh, look at that. Thanksgiving frittata, Thanksgiving quiche, it's your Thanksgiving leftovers. Made it in about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm telling you, this is the way to do it. Didn't even touch the kitchen. Also, HeatMate is having a Black Friday sale. So you can grab it now at 30% off. That's 30. So it's a great deal, great product, great deal. You should order it. Grab the links, order one of these. Have some wonderful food, have some great Thanksgiving. I hope you had an amazing Thanksgiving with you and your family. I wish you all the best. For those of you who don't celebrate, it doesn't matter. It still works great, even if it's not Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching. Got a lot more videos coming at you. And and enjoy. And if you want, make a little cranberry sauce on the side and kind of, it'll be great. You'll love it. All right, guys, time for me to eat. Bye! And then for the puppies. Yum. Yeah, is that good? Told you. There's Thanksgiving leftovers, guys. Thanksgiving leftovers. Yum.
Amazing.